Y'all, I was just chilling right now in this four-wheeler, and this thing got dried out bad. It was in the middle, but I reversed it out. I just wanted to show y'all. So yeah, y'all see what tires we're getting this week or next week. So yeah, hope y'all ready. Thick this looks. I'm about to try and go through this for the first time in a long time, so y'all bear with me. It's probably about to be bad. Oh, look at the frog. Hold up, y'all. I ain't gonna be able to record and make it through this because it's bad, so I'll start recording when I make it through, if I get out. Bit of progress. So, yeah. You can see it, like how piled up it is and thick. I'm just rocking back and forth. Now, obviously, the 420 would just walk right through this, especially when y'all see what tires I get. But when I get the tires and wheels, when I trade this week, I got to take it to get the old pan rethreaded, and then I'll put some oil in it, seal the airbox, and we'll be back riding like nothing ever happened. So, yeah, I'm going to get through this. Yeah, I'm going to have to lean it. I was going to see if it was. That middle was bottomless. I'm just trying to back out. So, yeah, peace out. I'll see you on